How do you take a project from the start to the finish line? 2 words: progress tracking. Hi! Today we'll show you all the secrets to successfully keeping an eye on the project every step of the way. What is progress tracking all about? Let's find out. It all starts with building a project plan, an ideal path a project should take if everything goes as planned. Teams and project managers use the project plan as a reference and compare it to the progress made on the project. This allows them to take action and correct issues that threaten to hinder the project plan. Progress tracking lets you take the project back to the right track by spotting common issues early on and anticipating problems. When you have the right tools, such as ActiveCollab, tracking project progress is easy. ActiveCollab is a powerful project management software that allows you to keep all the info about your project in one place and overlook its progress every step of the way. Tracking a project's progress can be done by tracking overall project progress with task completion, milestones, project delays, prioritization, Gantt Chart, meetings. If you want to track task completion, focus on the completion percentage of each task. Introducing a status report and labeling tasks as a particular stage in the completion process will show where each task is at. When you know precisely the status of each task, it will be easier to press on and move forward because you'll know which actions you should take next. Some tasks should be finished before others can begin, which can turn them into blockers. Others are perhaps partially finished and should wait for something else to happen to be completely done. Tracking task completion will make it easier to anticipate any potential problems, such as late tasks, which can jeopardize the entire project's progress. Project milestones are crucial if you want to overlook the project's progress and prevent project delays. Milestones let teams quantify and measure progress. When defining milestones, set specific goals to achieve at each stage and break them into separate tasks and manageable chunks. The milestones allow teams to plan a precise project timeline and monitor progress. Being late on tasks and milestones eventually leads to project delays. Tracking progress lets project managers predict project delays and prevent them. Tasks are smaller segments to milestones, and adding a due date on each task allows project managers to set milestones and deadlines and create a timeline for the entire project. Once you have a project objectives, scope, and timeline, it will be easy to picture the overall progress of a project. Project managers should prioritize tasks, set realistic due dates, and consider task dependencies to get a complete picture. The project manager's task is to monitor progress, balance every aspect, and remain flexible. Even if some due dates are pushed back, with wise distribution of time, resources, and careful planning, a project will still be done on time. Using the right tools and metrics to overlook the project, setting the stage for the get-go for success, and using visualizations to pinpoint issues will do wonders for managing a project. A Gantt chart with a timeline overview of the project's progress is perfect, especially for complex projects with multiple teams, dependent tasks, and numerous milestones and tasks. Keeping tabs on the team's progress is also done through meetings. Regular team meetings, daily meetings, and one-on-one can give the project manager and the team a deeper insight into progress. During these meetings, the teams can discuss issues they face while working on a project and come to a solution. It will allow the team to talk about any particular task that is labeled as a blocker and understand the situation thoroughly, which will help them to resolve it. To sum up, if you want to have a successful project and watch its progress, create a project plan that you can compare to your progress. Create milestones and tasks for a project, add due dates and labels for each task, visualize your workflow with a timeline, and have a regular meeting with the team so that you can get to the bottom of any issue. It's super easy once you try it. Plus, you can always add to that list some aspects that matter to you. Pair these tips with a fantastic PM tool such as ActiveCollab, which allows collaboration among teams and clients and lets you keep all your work in one place, guaranteeing success. How do you overlook a project's progress? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe if you like our content. We'll continue making fun and educational videos that will allow you to manage your projects better. Bye for now, and see you soon! What progress tracking? If you want to track task, focus on the completion Some tasks should be finished for